Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to start with FMG Quick Revision 2019 December last part. So let's get started. Question number 1. Which is associated with alcohol related cardiomyopathy? Option number A dilated, B restrictive, C hypertonic and D none. So correct answer here A dilated. Next one. 40-year-old male present with fever and abdominal pain and diagnosed with HIV and TB. How will you give treatment? Option number A ATT, anti-tubercle treatment and AIDS. B first anti-tubercle treatment and then anti-retroviral therapy. C ATT only, first ART then ATT. Correct answer here B. First anti-tubercle treatment then antiretroviral therapy. Almost odorless stool seen in. Option number A upper GI bleeding, B cholera stool, C amoebiasis, D cholestatic stool. Correct answer here B cholera stool. Next one, hyperkalemia means. Option number A 4.5, B 5.5, C 7.5, D 10.5 millicurium per liter. Correct answer here B 5.5. Next one, female present with galactorrhea and amenorrhea and diagnosed with pituitary adenoma and now complain of loss of vision. Which will be? Option number A bitemporal heminopia, B binasal heminopia, option number C homonymous heminopia, option number D superior temporal quadrantopia. Correct answer here A bitemporal hemianopia. Next one, woman presented with an off headache, on and off headache, on lateral x-ray suprasellar calcification are seen and C has heteronymous hemanopia diagnosis. Option number A craniopharyngioma, B pituitary macroadenoma, C astrocytoma. Correct answer here A craniopharyngioma. Next one, which is not a contraindicated for oral polio vaccine. Option number A leukemia, D diarrhea, C malignancy, D immunocompromised. Correct answer here B diarrhea. Next one, unconscious patient, most common cause of respiratory obstruction. Option number A tongue fall, B head injury, C respiratory center block, D hyoid fracture. So correct answer here tongue fall. Next one is hypoxia seen in. Option number A carbon monoxide poisoning, B HCl poisoning, C ischemia, D AB shunt. Correct answer here D AB shunt. Next one, a 32-year lady present with shoulder tip pain and diagnosis is Pancoast and present with meiosis. Diagnosis is A Horner syndrome, B thoracic outlet syndrome, C aberrant light subclavian artery, D upper truncobrachial plexus injury. So here correct answer is A Horner syndrome. Next one, central obesity seen in. Option number A Cushing disease, B Crohn disease, C Cohn's disease, D celiac disease. Correct answer here A Cushing disease. Earliest finding in the diagnosis of diabetic nephropathy. Option number A microalbuminemia, B exudash, C hematuria, D macroalbuminuria. Correct answer here A microalbuminemia. Next one, reversible dementia seen in. Option number A Alzheimer's disease, B hypothyroidism, C subacute demyelination of spinal cord, D Pick's disease. Correct answer here B hypothyroidism. Next one, all are included in celiac sprue diet except. Option number A wheat, B barley, C rye and D quinoa. So correct answer here D. Next one, all of the following are causes of hypercalcemia except A hypervitaminosis of vitamin D, B hyperparathyroidism, C thiazide, D acute pancreatitis. Correct answer here D acute pancreatitis. Next one, lady exposed to chai cold extremities turn to blue associated with which antibody? So this is the all sign of the systemic scleroderma. So option number A anti-SCL70, B anti-nuclear antibody, C anti-SSB, anti-SSA. Correct answer here A anti-SCL70. Next one, PR interval in ECG means A. reflect conduction through AB node, B. ventricular depolarization, C. ventricular depolarization, D. atrial depolarization. Correct answer here A. reflect conduction through AB node. Next, lining of ventricles. A. ependymal cells, B. oligodendrocytes, C. Schwann cells. So correct answer here A. ependymal cells. Next one, a patient is having continuous tremor and he has a tendency to fall. Lesion is most commonly seen in option number A. Substania nigra, B. globus pallidus, C. caudate, D. putamen. Correct answer here A. Substania nigra. Next one, which type of gout is seen in A. patient who is on treatment of CML, chronic myeloid leukemia? Option number A. secondary gout, B. pseudo gout, C. acute gout, D. primary gout. Correct answer here A. secondary gout. Next one, vasopressin work on the principle of hypoosmolarity, hyperosmolarity, hypovolemia, hypervolemia. Correct answer here B. hyperosmolarity. Next one, which is not a component of Brown Sequard syndrome? Option number A. contralateral pain, B. contralateral temperature, contralateral loss of proprioception, and ipsilateral loss of fine touch. Correct answer here C. contralateral loss of proprioception. Next one, a 42-year-old male complains of tachypnea, respiratory rate more than 32, with pulmonary hypertension. BP was normal 130/90. Jugular vein pulsation was raised. Which is the diagnosis? Option number A. esophageal rupture, V. right ventricular hypertrophy, aortic dissection and rupture, tension pneumothorax. So correct answer here B. right ventricular hypertrophy. Raised jugular vein pulsation and not fallback of JPP is a features of option number A. atrial fibrillation, B. atrial flutter, C. ventricular tachycardia, D. ventricular fibrillation. So correct answer here A. atrial fibrillation. Next one, what is the sequences of jaw thrust method? Option number A. head tilt, B. chin lift, jaw thrust, B. chin lift, head tilt, jaw thrust, C. jaw thrust, chin lift, head lift, D. head lift, jaw thrust and chin lift. Correct answer here first, head tilt, chin lift, jaw thrust. Endotracheal tube in esophagus is best assessed by option number A. carbon dioxide exhalation, B. chest wall movement, C. auscultation, D. chest tube pass through the vocal cords. Correct answer here A. carbon dioxide exhalation. Next one, what is the surgeon performing here? So in this diagram you can see option number A. BP measurement on dorsalis pedis, B. nerve conduction, C. muscle tone, D. none. Correct answer here BP measurement on dorsalis pedis. Next one, identify the condition. So in this diagram you can see this is option number A. osteosarcoma, B. Ewing sarcoma, C. osteoid sarcoma and D. osteoid chondroma. So correct answer here A. osteoid sarcoma. Next one, what is the diagnosis of the given image? So option number A. epidural hemorrhage, subdural hemorrhage, C. subarachnoid hemorrhage. So correct answer here A. epidural hemorrhage. Next one, posterior anterior view of chest x-ray is given here. What is the diagnosis? So in this x-ray you can see this is right pneumothorax with right tracheal shift, right pneumothorax with left tracheal shift, left pneumothorax with left tracheal shift and left pneumothorax with right tracheal shift. So correct answer here B. This is right pneumothorax with left tracheal shift. Next one, a boy was riding bicycle. He fell down forward and injury to shoulder was seen. Which nerve injury will be? Option number A. radial, B. ulnar, C. median, D. axillary. So in this X-ray picture you can see this is the axillary nerve. Next one, postmenopausal woman fell down in washroom. What is the most common fracture, C may suffer. Option number A, Colles fracture. Option number B, Smith fracture. C, Montagna fracture. D, Gallagher fracture. So in this X-ray you can see this is the Colles fracture. Correct answer is A. Next one, football player with knee injury diagnosed as medial collateral ligament injury. Which structure is most commonly associated with this type of injury? Option number A, anterior cruciate ligament. B, medial meniscus. C, posterior cruciate ligament. D, medial meniscus. Correct answer here B, medial meniscus. Next one, the show apparatus is used for ankle knee stabilization. B, patella tendon bearing brace. C, Thomas splint. So correct answer here B, patella tendon bearing brace. Next one, initial finding seen in knee tuberculosis. A, reduction of joint space. B, increase in joint space. And C, degeneration of cartilage. Correct answer here B, increase in joint space.